Hello everyone, welcome to weekly GK updates. Let's start our interesting session. The Koch Rajbongshi community is primarily found in which region of India? The answer is northeastern. Here are some interesting facts about this. Assam government will withdraw foreigner tribunal cases filed against the indigenous Koch Rajbongshi community. This community is primarily found in the northeastern region of India, particularly in the states of Assam and West Bengal, with significant populations also residing in parts of Meghalaya. The next is, which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushana? The answer is Sri Lanka. Here are some interesting facts about this. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the Mitra Vibhushana medal from the government of Sri Lanka for strengthening India-Sri Lanka ties and shared cultural heritage. This is the highest civilian honor of Sri Lanka, instituted in 2008 by former President Mahinda Rajapaksa. The award was given by President Anura Kumari Dissanayake at a ceremony in Colombo. It is the 22nd international award given to PM Modi by the foreign nation. The medal features the Dharma Chakra for Buddhist heritage, Pun Kalasa for prosperity, Navratna for deep friendship, and Sun and Moon for internal relations. The next is, which state is the host of 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? The answer is Bihar. Here are some interesting facts about this. The 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games will be held in 5 cities of Bihar from May 4th to 15th May 2025. Khelo India initiative was launched in 2018 to boost sports culture and identify young talents for the Olympics. It includes youth, university, and winter games to promote talent development. Khelo India focuses on building and upgrading sports infrastructure across India. Khelo India centers and academies offer expert coaching in various sports. It promotes fitness, inclusiveness, gender equality, disability sports, and indigenous games. Next is, which organization designed and developed the Hansa 3 trainer aircraft? The answer is CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratories, Bengaluru. Here are some interesting facts about this. The indigenously developed Hansa 3 trainer aircraft has been approved for training air crew to get pilot license. It will now be manufactured in India by private industry. It was built to meet the needs of Indian flying clubs. It is ideal for commercial pilot licensing because of its low cost, simple operation, and low fuel consumption. The next is Ionian Iceland that was recently seen in the news is located in which country? The answer is Greece. Here are some interesting facts about this. A major archaeological discovery in Lefkada, Greece, revealed the first ancient Greek crater over found in the Ionian Island. The Ionian Islands are located off the western coast of Greece in the eastern Ionian Sea. They are also known as Hapitansi, meaning seven islands. So, for more videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channels. Thank you.